unfortunately, this 1970 Chevelle steering wheel has seen better days. It's got multiple cracks and scratches and whatnot, so we're going to take this off. I've got a steering wheel puller on here. We've got the nut already removed, and what we're going to do is push down on this, and it's going to pull the steering wheel out. So here we go. See if I can do this with one hand. Probably not. There it pops right off. And there we go. All right, very good. Let me get the new steering wheel out of the box. All right, as you get ready to put the new steering wheel on, a couple things here. This, you notice I don't have this all the way apart, and it's got a little plunger mechanism stuck out here. Now on a 70 Chevelle, you've got buttons out on the edges here that make the contact. So to put this back on, you won't have a plunger like you see sometimes where you have a center button. So all you got to do is line it up on that plunger with that big hole and the spline, and then we're going to drive it home with the nut. All right, I got the nut on there now, and this particular setup has like a beveled washer on here to guide everything straight. But that's built into the steering wheel, so I'm just going to drive that nut on there. There's no other washer that it came off with it. So there's the contact, and you see it's got a little, I guess, washer that we will push down in the hole to make it stick and make contact. All right, so there you go. Got it on there, and there's 4 screws that are going to mount 1, 2, 3, 4 from behind. Well, as Vice Grip Garage would say, we're crying in the mud. You know, everything on this car has got to come apart, go back together 12 times, whatever. But I got the steering wheel on, and then I said to myself, wait a minute, I have a new blinker mechanism. So I had to take it apart, take the steering wheel back out, and this will fit right in there. There's just one screw that holds it in. And then there's that cover plate you saw on there just a second ago. I guess this is like anti-theft or something. Okay, let's put it back together. All right, now when I put this screw in, boy, it was really hard to get in there. And it's more like a wood screw, sheet metal screw on this stock here. But we got her tight now, and my brother Rick suggested I put a little Loctite on there. So I wanted to show you this Loctite. It's a really neat kit that we use quite a bit here in Meldrum's Monster Garage, and it's got a little bit of everything. They're like lipstick containers. We've got pipe dope, we've got anti-seize, a couple different types. Got the blue and red Loctite, and like I say, it's just like lipstick, so good stuff. Loctite, if you want to sponsor me, send me some more of this stuff and I'll review your products.
Thank you very much.
All right, as Uncle Larry would say, that just adds. And as you can see below, this came with the steering wheel, so I put that down there in case I dropped a screw and you could see it. But I tell you, this dash is looking really nice now. This episode of Meldrum's Monster Garage was brought to you by Cool Clear Water. There he is, Rick Meldrum, still in the house. See ya!